Welcome to the Dram Diaries. That's Peter.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm Chanel. What are we doing tonight, Peter?
Double Dram blind.
Yes.
The funnest way to taste whiskey. We're starting with A.
Yes. Oh wait, I almost went to sipping. Okay.
Ooh. It's like sweet, some type of grassiness maybe? I don't know. It smells ridiculously sweet and grassy. That must be a rye. I'm going to guess that's a rye. I don't know. That's up there, but I think it has some proof. Ooh, this is, okay. Now
I like this one.
This is more delicate, but with spices.
Yeah.
Like, what are you getting on the nose?
Well, I'm getting, like you said, just kind of light spices, but
yeah,
there's something like cashmere soft about this one that I'm really liking. It's so yummy.
Yeah.
I mean, at least on the nose.
Okay.
Okay.
A is my least favorite nose.
Same.
Okay, I'm going to start with that one. Man, this smells proofy, but...
I'm not a fan.
It's very sweet.
Yeah. It is really sweet.
I wonder if that's a rye. Like, it has like a green... Not even herbaceous, just like green grass, like wheatgrass.
Yeah.
Huh. All right, I'm ready to move on to B, because B smell really yummy.
Ugh. That came through with a little bit of spice, like not a ton, but just kind of a really light spice.
Yeah, it has, like, the palate is lighter, but the finish has more spice. This is a more intense sip, but it's like one thing. It's like sweet wheatgrass.
Yeah.
I like B the best.
Me
I
too.
don't know if I would buy either one of these again.
I wouldn't either.
How much would you pay for them?
I wouldn't.
Okay. Well, they taste like this should be maybe, just because they taste like they got some proof. Like,
yeah, they do.
They taste like they're over 120
they do.
proof to me. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. 125 proof? 120, 125? Knowing that, I would just say $40 and $45.
Yeah.
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 All right.
Yeah. Okay.
A, least favorite for both of us.
Yeah.
What is it?
It is Noah's Mill.
What?
14.3 proof, $60.
What?
Sorry, Noah's Mill, but...
We used to like... I used to get, like, black tea vibes. Like, whoa.
How long have we had that bottle? How long has it been sitting?
A long time.
Okay.
Where did it go? Maybe that's it. Well, yeah, there's not a whole lot in it. You can see that. I've had this bottle for a while. It does have like a synthetic cork, but... Huh. Okay, well...
I'm curious what B is.
So am I. I don't know. I don't remember what I would have put up against the Noah's Mill. Oh, man. Smoke Wagon Uncut Unfiltered.
Oh, okay.
116.78 proof, $70.
$70. I don't know.
I think it's MGP sourced.
Okay.
It used to be better. When Smoke Wagon Uncut Unfiltered first came out,
yeah, I
remember like, well, this is really good. I think they've like lowered the age of the barrels they're putting in it. It just... Neither one of these really did anything for me.
No, me neither.
They're kind of a let down. Buy rare breed instead. It's and then get a full size mini barrel and age it for 2 months in the summer, and it will blow your mind. Okay.
So yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Till next time.
I want you to pick one. Go put this back in.
Okay.
No.
This one. This is the one I pick. Start.
Sorry.
Okay.
No, you go. You go.
No, what were you gonna say?
I forgot.
So did I. Okay.
Okay.
What would you like to say tonight, Chanel? Come on.
Well,
All right.